California has done a lot of things right when it comes to solar energy, but after working at a solar company for about a year now, I've noticed there's some things that California is just royally missing the mark on. And one thing in particular causes homeowners to get surprise bills in the mail for thousands of dollars.
In 2020, California mandated that all new houses must be built with a solar system installed. And the solar system is supposed to be enough to cover all of the energy needs for the home.
But that's not exactly what's been happening. You see, new home builders have been able to get away with building just the bare minimum of solar on new houses that don't account for how much energy people actually use.
So even when you purchase a full solar system for your home, it won't cover all of your energy consumption all of the time. You see, some months the sun is out more and naturally you're going to produce more energy. And how net metering works is those months where you're producing more energy than you're using, you get credits that are then applied in the months where you just don't get as much sun and you don't produce enough energy. And this is generally fine when you have professionals that are designing your solar system that design around how much energy you use throughout the year and how much you're going to need, so that on those months where you're not producing enough energy, you have enough credits stored up that it covers it.
And even if your solar system is designed by professionals, it's not going to cover all of your energy costs down to the penny every month. And that's where Tru-Ups come in. So at the end of the year, your energy company is going to calculate how much energy you used and how much energy your solar produced. And the difference there you'll have to make up. But that amount is usually very tiny, especially, like I said, if it's designed by professionals.
And this is where the problem comes in, and you might see where I'm going with this. If you have a tiny pre-installed system that you think is covering all of your energy bills, and then throughout the year, it's only covering, say, 50-60% of your energy, at the end of the year, you're going to get slapped with a huge Tru-Up bill, and it's because the energy companies just don't explain this very well. They send you a statement every month that shows you your usages, but it doesn't charge you a bill, so a lot of people don't look at it and don't regard it as something they need to pay attention to. So net metering isn't necessarily a bad, tricky thing. It works out really great when you have the correct amount of solar. But the way that California has mandated this and not enforced the builders to produce enough to account for your EV, to account for all the charging, all of the computers that you have running, it's just setting up so many people to get surprise bills in the mail. So one way to know if your solar system is producing enough for you is for you to look at those statements that your energy company is sending you every month. And if you're consistently not pulling in enough energy every month, that's a good sign that you're going to get a big Tru-Up bill at the end of the year and you don't have enough solar installed in your house.
So if you plan on buying a new home in California anytime soon, just make sure to check that you have enough solar to cover all of your energy needs. And if you ever have any questions about that, you can call Infinity Energy. We would be more than happy to make sure that you have enough panels for your energy needs.